What's up, guys? Today we'll talk about how to buy Bitcoin and make 5,000% gains. But before that, I'll just tell you a couple of words about the price action. Basically, we are still going down, well, kind of in the same sideways. But recently, you see, we had the bearish divergence over here. Stochastic RSI, Stochastic, MACD, everything had higher highs, but the price had a lower high. And actually, we had this dip after that, so maybe the drop is over, or we actually approaching $9,000, so it might be the beginning of the major drop which we discussed in previous videos. But while we are doing that, let me show you something more interesting in the long term. You might remember we were talking about the difficulty ribbon from Vilivu, and basically it is the moving averages of the difficulty chart over the price action chart. And you see, when this ribbon becomes narrow, then this is usually the lowest points in the price, and when it becomes wide, then this is the highest points of the price. And indeed, you can buy using this indicator somewhere around the bottoms, and then you can sell somewhere around the tops. And that was pretty much of an independent indicator from the technical analysis standpoint, so it's based on the network. And then from the other article written by Charles Edwards on August 6th, there's another metrics which is hash rate, also indicating the bottom for the price. And you see they had the hash rate and hash rate moving average. When they had a crossover between the two, this crossover usually indicates the lowest point in the price action, the bottom in the price. So if you can buy the bottom using this hash rate chart. And the second article, which came from Mr. Edwards, is the combination of the difficulty and hash rate, actually the comparison of those two. And he pointed out that actually, since the difficulty is adjusted every 2 weeks, but the hash rate is like a daily data, then it usually is a bit faster than the difficulty chart, so you can spot the lowest point in the price faster. And if you will use this strategy, here's the lows which he found with this technique, and you see most of them are like few thousand% gain from the point of buying to the maximum, to the peak of the next cycle. And the lowest down draw is like 42%. It's like the smallest one, usually it's like within 10%. And then actually the average for the 3 years investment by using this indicator is over 5,000%. It's enormously huge gains even for the cryptocurrency world. And you can also like adjust this using the 1020 SMA, but still it's something like few thousand% of the rise. And also he pointed out that in mid 2020 there will be another time when such things will happen, and will be another crossover, so it would be another point to buy Bitcoin cheap and get those 5,000%. So let's be patient and wait for these things to happen, and then maybe we indeed will get our new all-time high with at least 50x return on our investment. We'll see, guys, but so far let's see what will happen with the price. I will keep you updated, and that is it for today. I hope that it will be useful. Thank you for watching.